Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Today's last day of school, so we have like a little busy day today. Just wanted to take you with me on my small makeup routine. I'm going to use products that are actually on sale in the newest catalog. I have shown it so many times. This combination, Peach Perfector Glow, as a primer with peach oil and vitamin C and the BB cream, which is actually a bargain. It's amazing. It's so affordable and has a great quality. And yeah, let's get started. So, what I wanted to talk to you about today. I've had a very interesting conversation with my Oriflame friend this morning. And we were talking about the business in general. You know, we all want to reach our goal, and we have to, work on ourselves, how to grow our teams, and how to move on. So we were thinking about, okay, how do you do this? So what is the best strategy? Okay, you can have tons of strategies, but they may not be working out for you. Okay, so first of all, it's very important for yourself to know what you really want. Okay, so in this business, of course, you want to recruit a lot of people, but how do you do it? Okay, so there are different strategies where you can, take a look at. As you know, I have bought the game plan from Alex Pfeffer, which is very, very helpful. So you always have to invest into yourself, into knowledge, but still you have to find the perfect strategy for yourself. So, of course, Oriflame has a lot to offer. Okay, if it's the trips, you can earn up to 5 trips, incentive trips, and paid trips from Oriflame. This is something, where people can say, I really want to travel and see the world, and this might be something for you, or you just, love the products and you're a top seller because, experience in selling is always very, very good. But let's go back to reality. To the very, very reality. A lot of people don't have money, okay? Because everything is so expensive today. It's a huge struggle for families, in general, for people to pay rent, to pay for groceries, to pay for gas for the car. Struggling if you have kids or anything, like, get like special trips, day trips, toys, whatever you want to call it. And, when we look at the basics, what would you do with another 50 to 100 euros per month? Just for yourself. And it doesn't matter how you spend it. You can either save it up for a vacation. You could either, go to a hairdresser, get your nails done, go to a spa maybe, but you could also, and this is very realistic, get more food, maybe food that you cannot afford, get more gas for your car, or, like the huge struggle that we have. We all have the same struggles somehow. So I think when we go back to that point, network marketing can be very, very helpful with that. Okay, earning extra money for you and your family or for your loved ones, it doesn't matter. And I don't want to say, you can earn like, 5,000 euros or dollars every 3 weeks. You can, of course, but let's be realistic, okay? It won't happen overnight. And let's just say, what would you do with another 50 to 100? Maybe 250, maybe 500, okay? So we all know the kids are on holidays, school holidays at the moment. But when school starts, you have to buy school supplies. You have to pay, I don't know, 50 euros per kid for, I don't know, whatever they want they buy in school. So if you have several kids, this can be very expensive. I mean, we're not in that position anymore where we can just spend 200 euros just out of nothing for school supplies. Okay, you have to save it up. This is very realistic. Okay, so that's why I want to talk about this opportunity to people who are really struggling. You're not the only one. You're not alone. We're just human beings, okay? And we all have the same problems. If you don't have this problem, you're probably very lucky, or you have a perfect job that you love. But most of the people don't even know how to survive the last month or the last week of the month to get groceries, to get food on their table, okay? So this is very realistic. And if you're one of them who don't know how to get extra money, then just message me directly. You don't have to comment below if you don't like. And I can tell you how to earn extra money online. Okay, so the struggle is real. Everything is so expensive. And I want to help people out to make sure that they have a little bit of money they can grab by the end of the month and say, okay, I have like another 50 to 100 euros saved up every 3 weeks. And I think this is a very, very important message because, you know, we see everything online. We see all the perfect people going on their vacations and, you know, but this is just a moment. You don't see how hard they have been working for this to afford it. You don't see if it was paid. You don't see, you know, you don't see anything. This is just like a little moment that you see on Instagram or Facebook or wherever. But you can do it too. You can do it. You don't have to watch all these videos and say, oh my gosh, she's on vacation again. And you don't have to. You can do it on your own. And it is possible. You just have to do it, you know? And let's say if you join my business, you spend 19 euros. 19. This is the only first investment that you have to make, okay? So of course I don't say it's only 19 euros. Of course you have to invest into the products, but even the products are affordable, okay? You don't have to spend like 1,000 euros to get started. No. Well, how about spend 50 euros maybe? 50 euros with all the products that you like. And we can all help you out with graphics, with information, with anything that you require, okay? So you always have someone to ask about the products, and you're just not alone. But I just want to say and reach out to the people who are really struggling, especially during summer vacation, okay? How many people cannot afford a vacation with their family or on their own because they just don't have the money and they work full-time. They work full-time and they just can't afford it, okay? Because it's just ridiculous how expensive everything is. And I just want to spread some hope that there is a solution out there for you. You just have to grab it and tell yourself that you have to get started. That's all you need. You need to be motivated. You have to do it on your own. There's no one telling you how to do it or what to do. You're not employed, okay? So this is the difference. If you don't give anything, you don't get anything, okay? So I can just tell you that it's never been easier to earn money than today. That's just a fact. If you don't take the chance today to earn money online or even local, you can, if you're a party girl or, you know, that you like to make parties or anything like that, then you can also earn money like that. It's your pace, it's your choice, it's your way, and this is what makes it so important, okay? So I have to hurry up a little. Today, very shimmery peach and addictive mauve, I think. So these two colors here as an eyeshadow. So today I'm going to use the Double Effect mascara, a great mascara, also on sale because it has like one brush but two versions. It's one for the length and one for the volume. So I'm going to put that on and be right back. Here I am. Double Effect mascara, great product, and of course my Jordani Gold eye pencil. I just love it. I think I'm addicted to it. So next product would be my face styler. This is the blush one. We also have a highlighter. Very underrated product. You can literally take it for lips, as an eyeshadow. It's amazing. So I'm going to use that. You don't need like a lot. It's a very high pigmented product, as you can see. And yeah, like I said, if you want to join the business, you can either comment below or send me a direct message and let's just talk about it, okay? We can just talk about it, what's in for you. Not for me, not for anyone else, for you, what you actually want to reach, and we will find a solution for you, okay? So don't be scared that, you know, I am not like a very pushy person, and I'm not like one of these others that, you know, just want to hustle only. A certain hustle is good, but I know, you know, when you open up Instagram, for instance, you will just get a massive load of people who just want to come into my team, join my team. But I want to find a solution for you. What's the best for you? Okay, not for me. I do have time, okay? So I'm not in a hurry, but I love to help out people and reach their goals, okay? So don't be scared by talking to me. I'm very friendly. So just wanted to show you our little lipsticks. These are our special purse lipstick, I would say, because they're pretty small, but very effective, high pigmented. Now I just have to check. This is the color Blush Rose. Never tried it before, so I'm going to use it today to show you how it looks like. Very creamy and not glowy. Pretty small. You can put them everywhere. You can put them into your jeans, into your little pocket, purse, whatever. So this is the makeup look, and today I'm going to use a very special perfume, which I actually love, but I have never shown it here, is Nordic Waters. Okay, let me just see if you can see the design with the runes, with Nordic water in it, actually. And, you know, this is like the Nordic specialty. We love the Nordic countries. We love the hygge theme, and this is it. This is actually one of the best perfumes. So fresh, watery. It smells amazing. Also currently on sale. So just love these runes here. They're so beautiful. So that's it for today. If you have any questions to the products or to the business itself, get started. There's never a perfect moment. The perfect moment is always now. Okay, so shoot me a message. Have a wonderful day and talk to you soon.